Hello, dear children. Today we will continue with the second chapter, and the subtopic is Common Era, which is also known as the Christian Era. The Common Era is a method of numbering years whereby the current internationally recognized year is on the Gregorian calendar, secular equivalent of Anno Domini and the Christian era. In the unilinear division of time, years that follow one after the other are arranged in the serial order. In history books also, a chain of events that follow one after the other is presented in a linear and serial manner. BC stands for before Christ. It means the number of years before the time of Jesus Christ. Children, please understand these timelines properly. Children, if you look at the number line which is given below, you will see exactly in middle the birth of Jesus Christ. Some people use BCE instead, that is before Common Era or Christian Era. It means before the birth of Jesus Christ, we say BC. BC is birth before Christ. And AD refers to Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. So, children, the calendar which we use today is based on Christian era, now called as Common Era. Anno Domini means in the year Jesus Christ was born. So, try to understand the timeline clearly. To avoid this problem, historians agree that the imaginary year 0 refers to the birth of Jesus Christ. Look at the number line, you will understand clearly. Children, if you look to the number line, you will understand more clearly that the years to the left are referred to as before Christ or BC, and the years to the right Anno Domini or AD, in the year of our Lord. This era began in the memory of Jesus Christ. The first year of this era is the year when it began. It is shown with the number 1. The years after that are indicated by the next numbers in the serial order. The first 100 years, that is the first century of this era, is written as 1-200 CE or 1-200 AD, whereas the period of the first millennium of this era is written as 1-1000 CE or 1-1000 AD. AD is commonly used to refer to the years after the birth of Jesus Christ. It is Latin for Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. This is used as a starting point to date the events that took place since the birth of Jesus Christ. BC is older time period, meaning it came before AD. The year 0 is supposed to be when Jesus Christ was born, even though many historians now believe he was born about 4 BC. The year 0 is a transition point between BC and AD. So, I hope it is clear that AD is an abbreviation for the Latin term Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. Sometimes you may hear it called after death, even though this is incorrect. CE stands for Common Era. So, both AD and CE refers to the same time period. So children, by now you must have understood that the period before the Common Era is known as the time before Common Era, that is BCE, or before Christ, that is BC. The years of this period are counted and written in reverse order. So children, the first century before the Common Era began at the 100 years BC and ended with 1 BCE. Similarly, the first millennium before the Common Era began at the year 1000 BCE and ended with the year 1 BCE. So, the first century of the Common Era is indicated as 100 to 1 BCE, and the first millennium before the Common Era is indicated as 1000 to 1 BCE. Let us now look at some examples of this method of indicating time before the Common and Christian Era. The lifetime of Gautam Buddha is written as 563 BC to 483 BC, and the lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir is written as 599 BC to 527 BC.